How's it going, guys? I'm here with my Ultra Dashcam. I am not liking it at all after using it for a while. It does capture stuff like you'll see up here, this truck pulling a ATV trailer across the double yellow. They don't care. And unfortunately, the video quality is lacking with this camera. But as I said, it does still catch stuff, and it would provide evidence to a cop. This guy can't even stay in his lane. I mean, what type of drivers are out there nowadays? They just cannot seem to control their vehicle. So in that regard, the dash cam is awesome. I capture a lot of stuff, but there's a lot I can't bring you because the video files are corrupt. They'll play, but everything I do to correct it won't work. Who lets their kid out in the road? You think, okay, that's not so bad, Mark. Well, wait for it. That's right. They're way too important to wait in line. I'm going to do a U-turn in the middle of the road here. I'm way too important to wait because I drive a piece of crap. Once again, in front of the school. It's always my favorite area due to the drivers and pedestrians and stuff. Here we have it. You would think this is somewhat normal. The car's stopping. I'm kind of like, what's going on? There was a pedestrian standing on the curb. This guy didn't have to stop. And they're not in the crosswalk anyways. So there was really no reason for us to stop except they were being nice. Here I am in front of the school again. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm there a lot. We're just going to do a U-turn. Why not? I'm too important. I don't have to go around the block or anything. I'm just going to do a U-turn. And I figured I'd just bring you this because it was cool scenery. Now, this is what I don't like about the Ultra Dashcam. It's a piece of shit. For $100, it's a piece of shit. It's blurry. For 2.7K, it sucks. It has corrupt files, so I can't bring you those files. I try to correct them through various methods of correcting videos, and it just doesn't work. They just won't import into Vegas Pro. Now, I could probably do like a screen capture of playing the video, but God, that would really suck too. And I'm using one video here that is on this smaller scale, lower resolution. So it thinks this whole video compilation should be less than 2.7K. I'm going to render at 2.7K anyway. So sorry for that first video of the series because that's the one messing it up. But I wanted to bring it to you. And to leave you with this: best driver in Colorado. I got the green light. What the fuck are you doing? And I am pissed off because that's taking my life into their hand. So I start getting over. I'm like, no, don't confront. So I just, kind of move back. No one's behind me because I accelerated pretty good to try to catch up. And I'm just like, let them go. It's just not worth it. Now, once again, do I recommend the Ultra Dashcam? Hell no. I hope is listening to this. I would never buy one of their camera products because this was a test to see if I wanted an action camera. And hell no, I do not.